Trubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kasorkar jela hene kasngi kasantari ujemang arajar apuar. Haga jia tray lang bat ka kinhun SIAL haga sien kabaar. Kalapen long ya kayo ya dietien kibana ki jaj ben reu chatay lam mingi kabalatip kum ka North East Food Show arajar apuar. Ya kani kayo ya dietien lapen long haki laisngi kata nadu mentakas ngi santaring hadu kahinyaw tarik ujemang arajar apuar. Ya kabala penlong hamadan Polo Shalong. Lapli ya katay kayo da umentri rangba ka jela ukon rat kongkal sangma. Ubalong ru haga juk kopor kum ukong san. Haga jinga dan lang umentri ketenat karep karyang uba bantai dor lingdo kum usumbut kong san. Bat umentri rangba ka sekim upriem sing tamang bat kiwe.
The Northeast Food Show is a platform whereby the benefits shall reach out not only to farmers, but bringing into its coverage entrepreneurs, food processors, agribusiness, and partners who are all part of the agriculture and allied sectors. It also provides an opportunity for efficient convergence of all government departments.
Strong partnership with the key Indian stakeholders is extremely visible across the world with strong promotion of Indian food and culture. We launched NEFS in 2019 as our first edition, and here now we are for the second edition after seeing the great response. It is in fact the first time in the history of the CIAL to be in 3 states of the same country.
Friends, we have seen a great participation from all over the world, and I'm delighted to see a lot of participation this year as well. Meghalaya is a natural blessed with favorable agroclimatic zone suitable for the grow of various horticultural crops. The state is also well known for the diverse yet unique culture and tradition, which is a wide range of cuisine, giving opportunities for the gastronomic tourism to flourish significantly in the state. Friends, the Northeast region with 8 states carries within itself great similarities and give the state a chance to excel their own way. To give a small example, the state of Meghalaya has Lakadung turmeric and its unique produce which has highest curcumin content in the world. Manipur is the largest producer of passion fruit in the country. Assam is the highest producer of tea and ginger in the country. Besides agriculture and horticulture crop, the states also prefer a location for the growth of herbs and spice, which is high potential for use of medicinal and pharmaceutical industries.
अन्य लोगों के लिए एक सौधार मैत्रीपूर्ण और स्वाभाविक रूप से आकर्षण गंतव्य बन गया है। इस नए क्षितिज के प्रणेता हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, जो पूर्वोत्तर क्षेत्र में इन स्थिर सुचारू और दूरगामी परिवर्तनों को लागू करने में मुख्य अभिनेता रहे हैं। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के अवधारणा सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास और सबका प्रयास की विचारधारा ने भारतीयों को एकजुट करके देश की गरिमा को विश्व स्तर पर पहुंचाया है।
I just want to give you a small background on how we are working out here. A lot of you may feel that this is just a food show and everything will be over after 3 days. But let me tell you, we've been working for the past 4 years to make sure that what is happening here today is there. Behind you there's something called the Prime Program. We realize that the farmers alone cannot make the kind of exponential growth that they would want. We need entrepreneurs to be there to be able to scale up the production, to be able to add the value to the products so that this can be sent to the markets outside. So we started a program for entrepreneurs called Prime Program. This Prime Program is very entrepreneur-centric, and in the last many years, we have been promoting and pushing many entrepreneurs to come in. You will see out here that we have got many self-help groups. In the last 4 years, we have increased the number of self-help groups from a mere 3,000, 4,000, today to over 35,000 self-help groups of women have been formed. And they are here today to showcase some of their products. We have got mission mode programs, be it the piggery mission, be it the Lakadong mission, be it the jackfruit mission, the aroma mission, the dairy mission, and soon we'll be having the spice mission. We started the ginger mission. All of these almost amounting to over 1,000 crores of mission mode programs have been functioning. We have different cooperative societies that have been formed. Hundreds and hundreds of cooperative societies have been formed. Again, these are being done to ensure that the collectivization, the group, of farmers coming together so that they are able to scale up their products. Farmers alone cannot provide the kind of productivity that is required by the market. And therefore, you need to bring different producers together in a cooperative movement. So what I'm trying to tell you is this show is a culmination of all these different activities that have been planned. And that is where we are reaching here today at this level after all these different activities have happened. So therefore, this food show is not just a normal, simple food show where we will walk out of this after 3 days and it's all over. It's going to continue. It's going to move forward. I remember coming here in 2019 and I remember seeing the packaging of the same entrepreneurs, their products. They were selling wine in an old beer bottle which was used, for some other brand. They had got some simple, whiskey bottle which was left over. They washed it and they put the wine into it. And today, coming back to this pavilion after 3 years, those same winemakers have got bottles and packaging that is as good as any other product in the world. That is what this food show is about. And as I said, we don't expect that we'll see results in the next 1 day, 2 days, 1 year, 2 years. No. Our golden jubilee is coming in 2031. When our diamond jubilee, sorry. It's called diamond. Oh, it's called that. It's called diamond, right? 2060 years? No. Okay, 60 years. It's called, I think, diamond. Platinum comes in 75. So in the 60 years of our statehood, when we are actually today, we are celebrating 50 years. I hope you noticed we have a 50-year Golden Jubilee celebration going on as we speak. So this is part of this Golden Jubilee celebration. And also the 75 years of India's independence. We want that 10 years from now, when we are 60 years old, when our state turns 60, we want to look back and see the growth and be satisfied and to know that we did do something that made a difference in the farmers' lives. When we touch 75 years, we would like to look back, whether we are there or not, but as a state, we'd like to look back and say that yes, we have made a difference. That is the vision with which we are working on. So therefore, my friends, I know that this program that you're seeing today, there will be a large number of you who will say, good things or medium things about it. There will be a large number of you also who will say many bad things about it. And you will say, oh, there could have been fans in this place, because I'm also thinking fans right now. I would think that, well, there could have been exhaust out here. There will always be room for improvement. There will always be areas where we'll make things much better. But we need to start somewhere. And that's the reason why I'm very pleased and happy to see the kind of response that we're getting from everybody.